Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a crypto newsletter with Ghost, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to ghost.org. Create an account by signing up with your email address. Verify your email and log into your Ghost dashboard. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Site button. Choose a name for your crypto newsletter. Select a custom domain or stick with the default. Next, navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Under General, fill in the necessary site details. Scroll down to the Newsletter section and enable the Newsletter feature. Customize your newsletter appearance by selecting a theme. Go to the Members tab to manage subscriptions and settings. Enable email signups to grow your audience. In the Email section, customize your email settings. Create your first newsletter post by clicking on Posts. Add a compelling title and body content related to cryptocurrency. Incorporate images or graphs to engage your readers better. Once your content is ready, select the Visibility option. Choose between Published or Scheduled to release your newsletter. Hit the Publish button to make your newsletter live. Explore the Integrations tab for additional tools and features. Connect your social media accounts for wider reach. Monitor your newsletter performance in the Analytics section. Use feedback to continuously improve future issues. Stay consistent with your publishing schedule for better engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.